Everybody's still sleeping. Having coffee. Got a fire going. It's supposed to rain last night. I don't think it rained. It's supposed to rain today. Hopefully it don't rain either. Alright. By the time they woke up.
How time they woke up?
Don't have a titty.
5:30.
We got some stump removal at your service here. We were trying to get the van in here in between these two, and it wasn't really working, so now we got to take that stump out. Oh, I don't know if I ever mentioned last weekend, but a drunk driver hit us with their trailer. Oh, I don't know if I ever mentioned it, but let's see. I think Uncle Jamie's calling you. Oh, well. I got to play something country. Anyways, somebody had hit my van, a drunk driver, and about tore my bumper off last weekend while we were here. Look at them skills. Come on, you're good. I could never do that. If my life depended on it, I couldn't do that. Sorry. So a drunk driver hit us. Ronnie called the gatehouse and told them to... Whoa! You're going to take off my headlight. Okay, good. You're good. Come on. Woo! Woo! Maybe this wasn't a good idea. Is it all the way back a little more? Maybe I need to take more of that stump out. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at Ronnie got that fire going. He's getting our fire started so we can have some dinner. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
He just cooking some brats today. Simple. I know. They cooking dinner here. Oh, don't be burning my food now.
Mine's a little late because he left his one in the bag.
Wow.
So
Yeah, one job.
I just now started cooking this one with my little Extend-O-Matic. Look.
Oh.
Look.
Yeah, what? Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Wind blowing in his hair.
Look at Daddy. I was trying to get a picture, bro.
Yeah, what?